Hey guys, Wehu Trucks and Equipment, welcome back once again. Right behind me is a truck that we're testing for a client. I'm going to show you as one of our technicians gets to look at it and examine it before we ship it out of China. Most of these trucks need a very serious quality control before they leave China. Otherwise, you will get to have a product that is not exactly as the quality you desire. So I'm going to take you on a tour and you'll be seeing exactly what to look out for and what exactly is tested. Wehu Trucks and Equipment, keep around.